Hello guys, today I want to share with you an amazing website that I stumbled upon, which is called websim.ai. I know that this website has been around for a while, but now with the introduction of Claude Sonnet 3.5, this website has become way more powerful, and it's actually pretty mind-blowing to see what you can create within a few seconds. I will show you a few examples of stuff that I created, meaningful stuff that I've created, and I think can really speed up the prototyping process and the process of building an MVP. If your guys are interested in building websites or MVPs or SaaS tools, I think this website could be very useful. Before I dive into the examples that I've created, which again I was really impressed. Let me show you a few of the things that I found here, which is kind of like, I wouldn't say it's a library or not exactly a marketplace, but it's a resource in which people share what they already created. So someone created a Doom emulator, and you will get in a moment you will understand what I mean by created. And someone created a tool for learning how to play the piano. Um, let's see. Let me show you an example. So for example, Doom, we enter this project, and we can click here to start. And this is basically an emulator of Doom. And you can see it started here. We can select new game. Yes, and we can just start playing. So going forward, as you can see, we have Doom right here. Now let's close this. Let's see something else. I saw this Piano Pro, which is a very cool project. And I know what you might be thinking. Okay, why is it showing us this? It's just a very old Doom or very old piano game. But check this out. This is completely 100% functional. You can see the chords over here. You can add classical tunes. Let me close that. Okay, now why is this so cool? Because basically using Claude Sonnet, you can basically give websim.ai a prompt, and it will create the website within 10 seconds basically. So let's say, and let me show you a few examples that I already created. So I asked it to create a weight tracking web app. It was like only 2 lines of a prompt, and it created this web app in which I can share the date, the participant name, the weight in kilograms, and then we have the graph of like tracking the daily weight of each of the participants, and over here we have the leaderboard. Now if I would like to change this, I can just tell it, awesome, please leave everything in the same functionality, just change to dark mode and design and use a more modern design like a Webflow website. And you will see that within one click, it's going to completely change this whole thing. So let's see what it creates. And the cool thing about this is you can actually, afterwards, you can download the HTML. And this is where actually this tool becomes so impactful, because you can download the HTML and the CSS and you can play around with this. As you can see, the adjustments were made. This is 100% responsive. So let's say we're adding the date of tomorrow, the 5th of July, 2024. Let's say Yaron, and my weight would be 85 kilograms. As you can see here, let's add the weight, and you can see the trend. And you can see this is 100% responsive. If I remove Yaron, we don't see my trend line. If I leave, and over here we see Danny's trend line and Yaron with no capital letter. and each one of them only have one data point because I only entered one date. And this way you can see like the trend. And over here you can see the leaderboard. The weight loss is 5 kilograms because my initial data point was 90 kilograms and now I added 85. Let's take another example. We saw here that Danny was 87 kilograms. So let's add another weight for Danny. Danny, he was with capital letter, Danny. And the weight, the date would be the 5th of July, 2024. And the weight would be 86.7. So we're adding his weight, and you can see the trending line of Danny, and over here you can see the difference. Awesome. Now let's say you want to make more adjustments. Please add a tip about diet above the progress chart. Please also highlight the leader of the leaderboard. I'm just winging this. So basically I asked it, please add a tip about diet above the progress chart, and please also highlight the leader of the leaderboard, and also add a section for adding personal commitments and goals for each participant. And obviously this prompt isn't good looking and I could have created it way better. I just want to show you how powerful this is because I also have spelling mistakes, but still you will see how powerful this is. Like within a few seconds it's going to add these adjustments. Weight tracker, add weight, personal goals and commitments, participant name, enter your goal and commitment, Yaron, 85 kilograms by 1st of October. Let's say this is my commitment, add goal. Here's the tip of the day. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and eating without distractions. And you can see here and the leaderboard. Now, let's say you like this, you can save this, and you can also download the website, the HTML. So I download it at the moment, and you can see right here when I open the HTML, I have it in my Chrome and it's 100% responsive. What you can also do is, let me give you a different example. So I built this website. I told websim to create a website for providing automation services for me. And then it created this nice looking website, and I told it I wanted to see the contact us page. So this is the contact us page. Now, assuming that you would like to adjust a different page, what you can do. So at the moment, the services page isn't responsive, but I mean, it wasn't created yet. But when I click on the services, websim know it is supposed to generate this specific landing page or the services page. So as you can see, this is going to be the first time that I'm seeing this page. Let's see what it creates. Same header, our automation services, AI powered process automation, data analytics and insights, workflow optimization, system integration, ready to revolutionize your business. Let's discuss how our automation services can be tailored to meet your specific needs. And if you right click over here, you can open the links or you can edit. So edit this element, change, button, call to action to automate now. So I've asked websim to change only the CTA of this button from learn more to automate now. Let's see what happens. Yes, automate now. And obviously I can save this and I can also download the website and the HTML, and basically afterwards you can give it to your designer. You can build it on your own. You can use a LLM or Claude in order to build this in production. But you saw how fast this is. Let's now create something from scratch. Let's say we want to build. Let's come over here. So this is another website that I've built, which is the Guitar Master. It was inspired by the website of the piano. Let me see if I can create a new one. Okay, so these are different websites built by other people. I'll go spy. So let's see. Amazon KDP keyword research. Let's see. It's also nice to see what people are building. It gives you an understanding and inspiration. Okay, not so impressed. Let's see if I can build something new from scratch. Okay, let's come here. So home, I mean websim. What would you like to create today? Over here, I choose the Sonnet model, which is the best at the moment. Build a landing page that gets an input of an image from a user and then generates an image of the same user with professional look. Let's see what it creates. So this is a landing page. When AI just started like a year ago, many people built a website that took your image. Let's say you have a usual image and you wanted to create an image for LinkedIn or professional looking image. You could have just uploaded your image and AI would generate like an image with a suit and a tie, stuff like this. So let's see what it created. Transform AI Makeover Pro. Transform your everyday look into a professional headshot with our cutting-edge AI technology. Upload your photo and see the magic happen. So selecting the image. Did you see this? It just opened the dialog box. This is crazy. It opened the dialog box. Let's see if I have an image. So this is a PNG. This is a thumbnail from yesterday's video. Transform my look. Let's see what happens. If it's going to work, it's going to be crazy. Here's your professionally enhanced image. Notice the improved lighting, background, and subtle touch-ups that bring out your best features. Almost. I mean, almost. But still, it took like less than 30 seconds, and this is crazy because obviously, if you want to make it work, you need to change the API calls and adjust the prompt. But this is a pretty good prototype or an MVP that you can use and start testing. You just download the HTML and you're good to go. You can make all the adjustments that you would like. And I was pretty amazed by the functionality now. The fact that I was able just to like select my own image. I guess that's it for today, guys. Just showing you this cool tool that I stumbled upon. I'm not sure exactly about any meaningful use cases for this tool except for like prototyping and building MVPs or getting user feedback without actually building the thing. But I think it's also a great showcasing of how powerful is Claude Sonnet, how fast it can build stuff. Obviously, if you would like to build websites, as you saw, it can pretty much build them pretty easily. I recorded and uploaded a video yesterday. I don't know when you're going to view this video, but a video about using Claude Engineer, which is a powerful project that allows you to use Claude and also run files locally, operate on files locally, which basically amplifies your power and allows you to do a lot of stuff and gives you a lot of freedom. This is, by the way, the thumbnail of that specific video if you're interested. I guess that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any feedback, obviously leave them in the comment below. And until next time, keep on automating.